Okay guys, this is as far as I can zoom you out and I'm super excited to start working on this area. I didn't look up any pictures or anything. In my mind, I just had like the golden nutcracker that I bought at Primark. This basically inspired me, and then also this snow blanket. So I guess I'm just gonna start with this. So next I took this pretty lantern and I just placed it on the left side. So I have a couple of things that I grabbed from my kitchen. I thought it would be nice because it gives that sort of ice effect, I guess. So yeah. Oh, this is super heavy. Next I grabbed this pretty rose gold garland that I bought a couple of years ago, and I'm just gonna place this along the wall in the back. Now I'm just taking the rubber off of these lights. I cannot wait to use them. They have this icicle shape and they look super Christmassy and icy and wintry. My mom gave me these. If I can figure out where she got them from, I'm gonna link it down below. So I'm just gonna place these along the wall as well and try to hide the wire into the garland. I'm so excited about this part, you guys, placing the golden nutcracker. Oh, love it. And by the way, I guess I didn't press record, but I also snow sprayed that glass pie stand dish. I don't know what to call it. So yeah, and it just goes perfect with everything. And I tried to put more lights around the glass to make it glisten. So next I decided to use my tiny pine trees. I love these. They have a little bit of snow on top of them. I think I'm just gonna throw all these rose gold baubles in here, or at least a lot of them. As you can see, I'm also putting lights in and around this fruit bowl because I just figured with the glass, the glitter and the lights, everything would just glisten together. So now I'm just adding these little deers, and I also added a pine cone on the left. And then I place these cute metallic red houses and a snow globe. So now I'm bringing in the mini pine cones and acorns, and I'm just gonna scatter these around on top of the fake snow. And now I'm spraying the acorns and pine cones with snow. And I decided to also give my lantern a little spritz of snow. And I decided to put the chopped up white garlands between the baubles because I thought it would just fill the bowl up a little bit more. Oh yeah, guys, I almost forgot. I also have these little like fake candles, so I'm also gonna put these here. I might switch them to the dining table if I feel like it needs it, but for now I'm just gonna put them here. I am super happy with this, you guys. So I didn't have the right batteries for the lantern as I was filming this shot. So I'm just finalizing a couple of details, and then we're gonna move on to the last part of the living room. So it is day 3 in this Christmas decorate with me vlog. So yeah, decorating took quite longer than I thought it would, but yeah, I'm doing more than just a tree. So as you can see, I'm cleaning the table because the table was like pretty dusty from all the decorations that we did the previous day. So I want the table to be nice and clean, and then we're going to decorate the table. So the first thing that we'll be doing is roll out this nice table runner that I bought at Casinos, and yeah, I just love it. It's this nice linen color. It's got golden stars and golden threads. It's super pretty and festive. So I'm just gonna roll this out over the center of the table. So next I have this set of 3 really pretty glass candle holders that I bought ages ago. So I'm just gonna place these at the center of the table. So next we have these super metallic, gorgeous golden candles, which you would have seen in my haul. I absolutely love these. So we're just gonna put these in the candle holders and make sure that they're nice and straight. I decided to use these rose gold baubles on the table because I didn't use them in the tree and I still wanted that rose gold touch in the house. And so I decided to just lay them out across the table in sort of a messy straight line between the candles. So next I decided to take 2 of these fake candles off of my commode that we decorated earlier, just because I thought I'm probably not gonna light these golden candles very often, but I still want that flickering candle presence at the table. So that is the dining table done, you guys. I'm super happy with it. It's simple but super festive and girly with a touch of rose gold, and it just goes with the rest of the living room. And since my living room isn't that spacious, I had to keep it simple, but I feel like it still has that Christmassy oomph to it, and I just love the way it turned out. So yeah, now let's move on to the window. First, let's say hi to the neighbor's cat. This cat has its own highlight on my Instagram because he or she is always sitting on my balcony. It's a cutie. So for the window, I'm gonna use this greenery garland, and normally it comes with pink flowers, as you can see on the right side, but I want it to be completely green like the one on the left. So I'm going to be taking these flowers off of the garland. I bought this ages ago, but I'm just going to reuse it and make it all Christmassy since I didn't buy a lot of decoration for the window. So as you can see, I'm just twisting these 2 garlands into each other so that it will be easier to stick them to the frame of the window. I'm also unboxing the lights so that I have them ready to go. So these next steps are perhaps a little bit difficult to see, but I'm basically twisting the lights around the garlands and making sure that they're working properly, and then I'm just gonna stick everything on the window frame with sticky tape. So now that that is all nice and secure, I'm going to snow spray the leaves and the windows. So to spruce things up, I grabbed whatever's left over from my mini pine cones and acorns, and I also grabbed my bendable metallic wire, and I'm just going to twist that wire around the acorns and around the pine cones. And now I'm just attaching that to the garland. As a final detail, I decided to spray the outside of the windows as well, and then I just went over the pine cones and the acorns and just wherever I accidentally scratched away the snow. So this is the finished result of our little Christmas window arrangement, you guys. I'm so happy with it. It really adds to that Christmas vibe in the house. I know it's very DIY with the Scotch tape, but I wanted to be able to take it off easily without having any damage to the walls. So yeah, but I'm super happy with the way it turned out. It makes me feel all warm and fuzzy and Christmassy. And now we're gonna move on to the pink shelves. I absolutely love this open closet. I got it on a secondhand website for such a bargain. So as you can see at the moment, the look is very spring summery, so I'm taking down all of the decor. This also allows me to dust off all of the shelves and give them a good spritz and clean them properly so that we have a nice clean canvas to work with. So I took these fake fall winter flowers out of my storage, as well as this super glittery golden pine cone, and I'm just going to arrange these in the white Dior bag. I love this bag. It's such a girly and chic prop, and it gives that luxury touch. And now that I'm done, I'm just gonna place this back on the top shelf. Then I grabbed a couple of my books and I just arranged and rearranged them until I was happy with the look. Next, I also added a rose gold candle holder. And I'm also adding this rose gold frame which says enjoy every moment. I love positive quotes and just positivity in general, and my cousin gave this to me as a gift, which is so sweet. So yeah, love that. So that is the top shelf done. So now I just grabbed this golden frame which my mom gave me, and I'm gonna put in this Christmas envelope to make it really Christmassy, and I think it turned out really cool and pretty. I just grabbed some candles, books, and this pink Christmassy bag, and I'm just playing around with that until I'm happy with the way it looks. For the last shelf, I grabbed this cute Christmas bell candle holder, popped in a candle, grabbed a couple of books, and played around with that. And I'm super happy with the end result. And just a look of the entire closet, it looks more wintry now, and I love it. So last but not least, we're moving on to the coffee table. By now you know the drill. We're starting off by cleaning. I just love a clean house. I'm not claiming that there's never like clutter or anything in my house, but I enjoy a clean house. So I just grabbed this golden tray, and since I had nothing planned for the coffee table, I'm just gonna place this in the middle and go from there. Next, I remembered that I had this pine cone candle. I guess I just love pine cones, you guys, because here's another one. So next I took this beautiful Dare candle holder out of the storage. It's gold on the inside, which gives such a pretty effect once you pop a candle in there. So that is exactly what we're doing right now. So that is the coffee table done, you guys, and that also concludes the entire decoration of the living room. I'm just gonna show you a final view. So that was it for the decoration, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you got a little inspired or just cozy Christmas feels. Let me know if you already decorated your house or if you're even going to, and what the theme was, which colors you used, and yeah, let me know what you think of my first Christmas decoration. Don't be too harsh though, like, oh my gosh, I'm like a newbie. But yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That would help me out, and subscribe if you'd like to see more and be notified each time I upload. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! It's Christmas, you guys. Bye!